We recommend you read the Use and Care Guide. This video is for informational purposes only. If you have a brand new Whirlpool washer, follow these simple instructions before using it for the first time. Remove the cardboard base by tipping the washer back. Pull the power cord firmly to see it free from the rear panel. Remove the cap from the drain port. Attach drain hose to the drain port. Squeeze the clamp and slide the hose end to the drain port, then release the clamp. Remember that the end of the drain hose should be at least 1 meter above the ground. Connect the inlet hoses to the water faucets. Use pliers to tighten the couplings. Run water for a few seconds through the inlet hoses to avoid clogs. Connect the inlet hoses to the washer valves. Use pliers to tighten the couplings. If your washer is not leveled, use pliers to turn the frontal foot counterclockwise to lower the washer, or clockwise to raise the washer. Plug the washer to the power outlet. Now you are ready to use your Whirlpool washer.